India saw more than 4,000 deaths linked to Covid-19 in a day for the first time and over 4 lakh daily cases for the fourth time in a week. The government yesterday said a third Covid wave may not happen if strong measures are taken. A day after reporting the world's highest daily surge, India recorded more than 4 lakh 1,000 cases today, taking the active caseload to more than 37 lakh 23,000 plus. In the last 24 hours, more than 4,180 people have died, taking the total death toll to more than 2.38 lakh. Many states in the last few days have announced lockdowns and curfews to break the chain of transmission. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Manipur are the latest to be added to the list. A 2-week lockdown has been announced in Karnataka from Monday till May 24th. Tamil Nadu has also announced a 2-week curfew. In Manipur, curfew will be enforced till May 17th. Amid suspense over who will be the next Chief Minister of Assam, the BJP central leadership has summoned incumbent Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and the most powerful minister in the state, Himanta Biswa Sharma, to New Delhi today for a meeting to discuss the issue. Though the BJP won a decisive victory as a result for last month's elections were declared on May 2nd, the post-poll violence in West Bengal had kept the top leadership of the party busy, delaying a decision on Assam. Party President JP Nadu told reporters in Kolkata earlier this week. Both Sonowal and Sharma have been asked to reach Delhi by 10 a.m. today. BJP sources have also added that the party wants to discuss the issue face-to-face with both the leaders before taking a final call. This is being done to avoid any sort of factionalism in Assam BJP, they said. Sarfaraz Khan, Joint Commissioner Solid Waste Management at Bruhat Bangalore Mahanagar Palike or Bbmp as it is known, took to social media to express his disappointment over the recent bribe for bed scam in Bangalore. Khan, also in charge of a COVID care center in the city, said that he was hurt and his name was dragged in the alleged scam unearthed by BJP MP Tejasvi Surya. A viral WhatsApp message was circulated that Sarfaraz Khan and other members from the minority community were the ones behind the scam and were called names on many WhatsApp groups. The WhatsApp screenshot that Khan posted on social media lists 16 names of Muslim officials and claims that they are terrorists killing Bangaloreans. Khan, in his post, wrote that the recruitment of doctors or any other staff in the war room is the job of the health department and respective zones of Bbmp. It has zero connection with him. I have been working day in and day out arranging for oxygen concentrators for all the CCCs to save precious lives. His family also was COVID positive, but he has been working as a frontline worker. Cases of Mucor mycosis, commonly known as black fungus, have been reported from Gujarat among those who have recovered from COVID-19. The number of such cases has increased as Gujarat sees an exponential rise in COVID-19 infections. At least 8 persons were reported to have lost their eyesight in Surat due to Mucor mycosis. After recovering from COVID-19, they had to be admitted to hospitals for the sudden loss of vision. In the past 15 days, Surat has reported at least 40 cases of mucormycosis or black fungus, including 8 who have lost their eyesight. The infection triggered by COVID-19 is treatable, but if left untreated or if the treatment is delayed, the condition can lead to the loss of vision and in some cases increase mortality. Ahmedabad-based pharmaceutical company Zydus Cadila is likely to submit the application for emergency use authorization of its Covid-19 vaccine candidate Zycov-D in India this month. The company is confident that the vaccine will be approved in May itself. The company plans to produce 1 crore doses of its painless Covid-19 vaccine per month. If approved, Zycov-D will be the 4th vaccine to be used in India's Covid-19 vaccination drive. Made in India, the company plans to ramp up the vaccine's production to 3 to 4 crore doses per month, and it is already in talks with 2 other manufacturing companies for the same. Although the vaccine should ideally be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, it remains stable even at room temperature conditions at 25 degrees Celsius. It is easy to administer, and developers said, and it will be administered via intradermal injection. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.